Hey. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vlogmas day 2 and I've just uploaded Vlogmas day 1 like literally like a few minutes ago. So if you haven't checked it out, please check it out. So today I am cooking, and if you look at this situation, this is the situation. So guys, this is my kitchen. I want to clean up and I need to like vunja this thing. Ew, this thing has like, ew. I wanted to give you guys tips on staying alone. Honestly, my first tip is cooking in batch, like not in batch, in bulk. Because let me not lie to you guys, you know, at home you have the comfort, or maybe if you have a help, and if you guys have a help, you have the comfort of you every day. In this life, there's nothing like kupikiwa every day. Remember, I'm fishy. So that's one thing like I've learned. Like if you're staying alone, just do yourself a favor and learn how to cook in like bulk. So personally, what I do is I'll just go buy ingredients for like a K, mainly the stew or even the meat if I'm having meat. So I cook in bulk. I just store it in the fridge like one time. And then now, for example, like once the food is there, I just come cook rice, warm the stew, boom, then I move on. You know, I might make spaghetti, I might make ugali, whatever I'm craving, you know. And then you save your time. That's my first tip for staying alone. So yeah, you guys watch me make my vegetable stew. Right now I'm cleaning dishes, chop. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, the kitchen is clean, the dishes are here, so I'm about to chop these things, chop, wash the tomatoes and cut them. And yeah, when you're staying alone, you're really trying to cut down on costs. Yeah, and let me not lie to you guys. Hey, kwanza, let me start a story time.
Nairobi is expensive.
As in, yo, see electricity, see your maji, see your garbage, and then don't forget rent. Because if you watched my video for 23 lessons that I've learned in my 23rd year, paying rent sucks. But it's not just paying rent, it's just having expenses. The only reason why I'd rather not stay at home is just I feel like at home, I feel like my brain is crowded. I don't know how to put it. Yes, it's good. Someone's like, why are you leaving home? But I'd rather just suffer out here. Like let me just be honest, me living at home has just stopped being an option. So yeah, anyway, so back to my tips for staying alone. I was saying, other than cooking in bulk, cooking will save you expenses. Ati ordering in every day, hey, wena besha, hey, I can't. Another tip for staying alone, you guys, is buying food items in bulk. Like, let me show you what I mean. Like, for example, you see like this. Okay, let me put it in bulk. I'm a fan of oats. Like, I eat oats. So, I'd rather buy the 1 kg than buy 275 grams. Like, really though. So, I'll buy the big one. Yes, it's expensive. It's not that oats. They're expensive, but like I just don't see the point of buying vitu kidogo. Like even if you look at my washing powder, I buy the big one. Like you guys see, I buy the big one. You guys, I am a big person. I buy in like big quantities, like 1 kg peanut butter, 1 kg jam, even 1 kg honey. I have it. I advise you to buy stuff in bulk. You save money, you save some coins, and you save time. Like, who wants to go to the supermarket every day? I mean, not me. So guys, peas are boiling. I actually went downstairs to buy carrots. I wanted some carrots in the stew. These are all the other stuff. And I bought some courgettes and eggplants as well. So I was saying I went down to buy some carrots and courgettes and green and yeah, pretty much. And I remember we used to plant courgettes and then we sell in the Young Farmers Club, and we used to make quite a lot of money. And our courgettes were huge. You guys, like size of this. This was our courgette, the size of his hand. But anyway, I've whipped out the big pot. This is the big pot that I have. As these guys are preparing, these ones I've cleaned them. Cut my onions, and yeah, as these things boil, I think I'm pretty much done. I just need to cut this up. And the tomatoes are here. I'm just gonna blend them because who has time? The third tip for staying alone is you have to have a regular cleaning habit. As in, like, you can't keep your house dirty for long. Is that even a tip? Okay, me personally, let me give you an example. Like, if I don't clean the house for like 2 weeks, it gets so dirty, and then I will spend more time cleaning it, and then I'll get more tired, and then I'll get more fatigued, and I'll hate myself. So what I've realized, like, every day I sweep the house. As soon as I wake up, I sweep the house, and then at least every 2-3 days I mop the house, so that the house is clean the whole day. And and then now what happens when you do that, when you clean the house often, it doesn't get as dirty fast because you keep sweeping it, and then you mop it, and then sweep and mop. Yeah, you just make it a habit. Like, for example, yesterday when we went for the event, I had made lunch, so I knew in my head I'm gonna come back late. Like, we reached around 8, so in my head I'm like, who's gonna be cleaning dishes at 8? Not me. So after the lunch, I washed the dishes quick. After, like, I've dressed up, or rather before dressing up, wash the dishes quick and then dress up and then go for the event, so that when I come back I only have maybe makeup to deal with, or showering, or just warm up dinner and stuff like that. Anyway, they're boiling. I'm excited. Boil, 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 boil. You guys, I even lost my tripod. So I'm yet to buy one. That's why I'm using my hand, and it's so uncomfortably heavy. But yeah, let's get on with the cutting and get on with the cooking. So yeah, that's my tip number 3. I'll see you guys in a bit. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's getting dark. Almost finished with the stew. I'm thinking of making cabbage and mashed potatoes, but that will solely depend on my energy, because if I'm tired, I'm not gonna make mashed potatoes, I'm just gonna make rice. Anyway, so here is my stew so far. Oh, it's a lot. Like, look at that pot, you guys. It's a big pot. So I'm trying to maximize as possible. I've added water and some tomato paste because I want it to be a lot. So yeah, please stew it is. So my fourth tip of staying alone is plan your days prior. For example, don't just wake up and be like, let me see where the day takes me. No, that's not gonna help you in the long run. So personally, I plan. For example, I have days for the farm, solely for the farm. Like, I'll wake up early and we will go to the farm with my business partner, and that day is just for the farm, like slaughtering, preparing, taking care of the rabbits, blah 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 blah. And then there's a day for example, for the house, like cooking, like today, cleaning, you know, sorting out the house, just house chores, you know. And then there's also that day that I just want to read and research. Like, I'll be either on YouTube reading about the business, or just researching about things that I feel like I need for the business, and even self-care. And what else? You just plan your days. Even you see that days I even say, you guys, I need to plan for shooting my video, I have to plan for editing. So yeah, okay, you guys, this camera is hard to carry. Oh, the lighting is better here. Anyway, so yeah, basically trying to tell you guys, plan your day so that you can be able to accomplish as many tasks as possible. I am tired and hungry. Anyway, let me finish up. Let me start making the cabbage, and then, because cabbage doesn't take long, and then after that, see if I need to do mashed or rice. Otherwise, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. I'm tired, you guys will stay here. But yeah, I'll give you the final tip when I'm pretty much done with my dinner. So yeah, stay tuned.
Ooh, yummy.
Hi guys, so I am done making dinner. Finished the cabbage, finished the stew. I've decided to make rice, and yeah, thank you for watching this video. Oh wait, I was to give you guys the last and final tip. So the last and final tip is definitely, especially if you're an entrepreneur, try and leave the house as much as you can. Okay, not as much as you can, but at least leave the house once in a while. Like, you guys, at times I am stuck in this house for almost like a month. Like, I've not left to go anywhere interesting. So now I've decided, you know, I need to leave the house, mingle with people, try new things and all that good stuff. Anyway, yeah, so I'm done with my video for today. You guys, my hand is tired. I'm done with the video for today, and yeah, right now I just want to serve some food, eat, and then check this makeup, shower, and hopefully pack this food because I don't want it to start getting spoiled. And then yeah, tomorrow I'll hopefully go to the gym. However, I have a new day planned for you guys, so I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So yeah, bye. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, and you guys, please watch these videos. It motivates me to keep going despite the tough life. But yeah, please subscribe, help a girl reach 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, bye, good night, or rather good morning, depending on the time you're seeing it, or good afternoon, who knows. Okay.